Hi there, I'm Kevin Allen Mao, and today we're going to go try and make some fine art out of some much finer art. And today we're going to be doing it at Antler's Grove in Buell, Idaho. And what we'll be looking at today is Warren Becker's 1956 Willys truck. Check it out. One of the things that, especially with these classic cars, is they were built with so much style back in the day, cars and trucks, that a lot of the details people take for granted. There are things that they do, like even the detail in the tailgate and in the bumper parts that are just, you don't see it today. Now they're all plastic. So whenever you're shooting cars, you want to make sure that you capture all of those old details, especially in the classics. One of the real special features about this Warren's Willys is that his wife Toni did all of the interior herself. So it doesn't get any more custom than this. I think she did a really beautiful job. Locations are pretty important when you think about the vehicle that you're shooting. You know, like a nice classic hot rod, you'd want to take in more of a in-town type position or location. But for a old classic Willys truck like this, you know, location is pretty key. You want to get the theme of this thing was a rugged truck built for rugged action. You want to take it out into a rugged area to really kind of show it in its own element. Well, that's it for Warren Becker's 1956 Willys Jeep pickup. What a beautiful truck that was, right? I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you real soon.